What's up, guys? It's Jake Fry, the car guy with Walker Paul. Today we're checking out Ford's never before seen power slide center console. Now this is super cool and super unique and way better than any other console we've seen in an Expedition. Only available in the 2025. Look at that. At the touch of a button, your console slides all the way back to give you a whole lot more privacy storage right there below your center console. It also moves your center console, so your access buttons for your rear climate control for your second and third row passengers, as well as your seats there, or your drink holders there, much closer to your luxurious second row. As you can see here, we have a bench seat. You can also get a bucket seat in the 2025 Expedition. But look at that, at the touch of a button, super easy, quiet, luxurious. This thing slides forward and backwards. And remember, even in our base model, we've got a wireless Qi QI charger. We've got drink holders. We've got our Pro Trailer backup assist in this one, so that'll back up a trailer as if it were the actual steering wheel when properly equipped. And you've also got USB-Cs, USBs, and that beautiful slide cover, as well as a LED light inside. So I think this is a super cool feature. You can see you also have the additional standard kind of cigarette lighter, 12-volt charger, as well as some more USB-Cs. I don't know how many USB-Cs are in the Expedition. We might do a video on that. There's gotta be. I mean, there's some in the back. There's tons in the center console. They're all over the place. And at the touch of a button, look at that slide action motion. Super nice. Let us know what you think. Remember, you need to subscribe to the channel because we're bringing you all the information on all the new equipment first, whether it's the brand new redesign on this Expedition, the redesign on the Bronco Sport, or any other Ford vehicle. We're going to show you this giant wraparound speaker, this 24-inch digital dash, the brand new central touchscreen. We'll show you everything, and we're bringing it to you first and doing the best that we can. So subscribe to the channel. 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming very soon. Jake Fry, the car guy, Walker Paul, what you got for the people?
All I gotta say is like and subscribe.
That's all there is.
That's all I got.
That's all there is.
All
so
right.
do it.
Thanks.